At TVE, we have been busy delivering Bobcat diggers, like this E19 canopy, to customers. This compact powerhouse boasts a long arm and long blade for extended reach, keyless ignition for convenience, and twin speed for efficient operation. The expanding tracks offer incredible stability. Our customer took advantage of TVE's fantastic finance offer. No deposit, 0% finance for 3 years on Bobcat excavators. And we were pleased to deliver a Bobcat E27z to Lee. This machine offers zero house swing for working in tight spaces and is recognized as having best-in-class 360-degree stability. The ergonomic controls and enhanced hydraulic systems allow for smooth operation. Lee also took advantage of the finance offer on Bobcat diggers, which has now been extended to the end of June. Contact Matt at TVE for more information or a quote.